Well, tonight we are learning more about the case involving the death of a 3-year-old boy in Beaufort County. The boy's father, Demetrius Moultrie, is charged with his death and appeared before a judge today. Our Aaron Dixon was in court and shared why the investigators believe Moultrie is to blame.
This case dates back to mid-July when deputies were alerted of a suspicious death of a child at Beaufort Memorial. Now the father is charged in the case, and in this hearing we learned that the child died of critical dehydration and had bruising on his body. Demetrius Moultrie went before a judge for a preliminary hearing charged with the death of his son.
He had suffered trauma to his head, buttocks, and upper legs. He was in the sole custody of Mr. Moultrie, who then placed him in additional harm when he took him to work and then failed to provide adequate care like food and water.
After the boy's death, investigators spoke with Moultrie. He told them that he got custody of his son the day prior and took him to work with him in a work truck with no AC, where he added that his son had been eating and drinking throughout the day. He then told investigators when they got home, his son fell off the back steps.
Stated that he checked on Jasir after the fall. He later found Jasir unresponsive in his bedroom on his bed.
Investigators say the story didn't match up with what they ended up finding. They say there was no proof of a fall. The boy was cold to the touch, meaning he could have been dead for several hours, and in photos and videos from the boy's mother, he looked healthy. Moultrie's attorney questioned that.
Are there any other bruises that you can exclude from my client because they're in a photograph that you see before?
The investigator answered by saying the only visible bruise from photos was the one above his eye that was a month old. He also questioned about the final autopsy, which is still pending, and asked why no one took the boy's body temperature when he arrived at the hospital. Following this hearing, the judge saw that there was enough probable cause in the case to send it to a grand jury. We're in Beaufort County. Aaron Dixon, WTSC News.